Hello lovely friends, this video will teach you how to do the Benin traditional bridal pin called ekporkpordor. It is used by the Benin indigens in Edo State. It is mostly done with orange or red coral beads, but I will be using white to illustrate it today. Before we start,
welcome to Maggie B's Family TV. Welcome to Maggie B's Family TV.
Materials needed to do these works are coral beads, star beads, pin, and your thread. To get started, pick one bead, let it drop and leave a tail. Pick some star beads. Skip the star beads and enter the coral bead and secure some knots. Repeat this step 4 times. While doing so, you have to secure some knots in order for your work to be firm or tight. We sell most of the accessory we use to do our bead work. Please check our website maggiebeads.com. We'll be happy if you patronize us. Now add your pin and secure the knots, passing through your pin to the coral beads and just passing through it like that, and your work will be secure and firm. Lastly, tie some knots and cut out your thread. You see, we have the pin ready. We do have super chats enabled on our channel. If you would like to support us, that would be nice. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share, and if you have not subscribed, please kindly do so. Thanks for watching. Bye.